Hi friends, welcome to Phonics. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're having a good day so far. Miss Warner's having a good day so far. All right, let's see what's going on here with my share screen. There we go. We're up and we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and read together. You should be on page 293, 294 for today. Our page has a bone at the top that says remember, like it usually does, and we're going to review what an adjective is and what an adverb is. Let's read that together, shall we? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It may answer the question what kind or how many. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Remember, a verb means action. It may tell how the action of the verb is done. Write an adverb for each verb. Now, remember for the adverbs, it will most of the time, not always, but most of the time, it will end in ly and slowly ly. I'm going to write that right here. It's not always, but it is a lot of the time, okay? All right. Leaping. How did it leap? Or how did she leap? Leap. How would someone leap? Leap. What about quietly? Giggled loudly. Smiled kindly. Have you ever seen someone smile kindly at you? Like a kind smile? Yes. Write an adjective for each noun. Blank cupcakes. What kind of cupcakes? Ooh, I'm thinking of my favorite, strawberry cupcakes. How many of you guys like strawberries? Right now, they're delicious strawberries. Anywhere you go, I feel like in the stores. I've been finding them at Costco. I've been finding them at like Vaughn's and supermarkets, and they're super like bright red and super sweet and delicious. We've been doing all types of things with our strawberries. All right, let's continue. What kind of a friend? What about a happy friend? And what kind of a crayon? A bright crayon? Um, a red crayon, a purple crayon. So you can do a color if you'd like, or you could just write something, a describing word like bright, a bright crayon. All right, good job. Almost there, friends. We're going to read each word and write an adjective to describe each noun. Okay, then we'll write an adverb to describe the verb. So the first one, kittens, that's a noun. What kind of kittens? For some reason, I think of gray kittens. Gray kittens. And what about mom? What kind of a mom? I think of beautiful mom. These are adjective words. Beautiful mom. All right, now we're going to look at adverbs because these are action words. Singing and worked are action words, so that makes them verbs. We need an adverb to describe how they did the action, okay? So how did they sing? Singing, joyfully. Have you ever heard of somebody singing joyfully, like they're really happy? They're happily singing? Yeah. Worked, quickly. Or you could write slowly. Quickly, slowly, happily. Yeah, those are all good things. Okay, let's see. Read the sentences, underline the verbs 2 times, and circle the adverbs. Draw a small arrow from each adverb to the verb it describes. All right, we can do this easy. Thomas writes neatly. Well, the verb is writes, underline it twice. And how is he writing? Neatly. Circle neatly and draw an arrow. Neatly is describing how Thomas was writing. Diligently, Eli practiced the piano. Practiced is what he did. That's the action. And how did he practice? Well, it says he practiced diligently. Diligently is answering the question of how he did it. Lucy swiftly walked to the office. What is the action here? What did she do? What did Lucy do? She walked. Underline that twice. How did she walk? Now we're describing how she did that. swiftly, which means very fast. Have you guys ever walked really fast where your hands are like this and you're going really fast? Yeah, me too. All right. Mom smiled at Caleb kindly. What is the action here? What did mom do? She smiled like this. Mom smiled. Underline that twice. Kindly. How did she do it? She did it kindly. All right, friends. Are you ready for dictation? Don't you dare think I forgot. 2 things here, 2 sentences. Try your best to sound them out. You're going to write each word. Make sure you're giving good space between your words. And also be sure that you start with the capital and end with some type of punctuation. You're checking your sentence like a teacher from beginning all the way to the end, okay? All right, here we go. I saw a mule on the trail. Use the special sounds that you have to write that, okay? I saw a mule on the trail. All right. Next, we hiked a mile. We hiked a mile. The first one was, I saw a mule on the trail. The next one is, we hiked a mile. While you guys are finishing that up, I'm going to get our next paper ready to go. All right, on the back, we're talking about verbs. Verbs tell us about something that has already happened. Well, sorry, verbs that tell us about something that already happened in the past is called past tense. It already happened. We make most verbs past tense when we add ed. I walked to school. That's happening right now. Yesterday, I walked to school. That means it already happened. It's in the past. All right. Did you see when they added ed, in looked, ed, it changed from happening to right now. I walked to school, which is happening right now, to I walked yesterday. It already happened, right? Okay. Add ed to the verbs to make them past tense. So wink plus t, winked, is the new word. Now I want you to mark the vowel here because this is very important. This is a short sound, but I want you to notice something. The N has a partner in the K. It ends in a double consonant, okay? So winked, already wink is a double consonant. Now, you'll see in the second one, in the next section, number 2, we have to double the consonant when there's a short vowel sound and it ends in a single consonant. Right here, wink, trust, quack, bless. Those are all double consonants. Even though it's a short vowel sound, it's a double consonant. So we don't need to double anything. It's already doubled for us, okay? There's already 2 consonants there. All right. Winked is the first one. Let's look at quack plus t. That becomes quacked. And friends, I'm so sorry. I keep trying to shake Fudge. She is sleeping right here next to me. So if you hear her snoring, I'm so sorry, friends. I'm trying to wake her up, but she doesn't want to wake up. Okay? So I'm sorry if the snoring is really bad. I'm trying to shake her, but she just doesn't. She's being really lazy right now. Okay? So I probably won't disturb her anymore. So sorry about that. All right. Trust plus ed. Trusted. Trusted. Trust ed. All right, very nice. And the next one, bless plus ed is blessed. I was already writing it wrong. Ooh. All right. There we go. We just added verbs. Sorry, we added ed to the verbs to make them past tense. So you wink, but then if you winked, that means it already happened. Now you can trust right now, but you trusted, already. It already happened. A duck can quack right now in front of you, but then if he quacked, that means he did it already. All right, let's move on. We're going to add ed to the verbs to make them past tense. So we're doing the exact same thing, but one thing you need to remember right here, double the consonant, the final one, when the vowel is short and it ends in a single consonant. You see this? All of these are short vowels and they end in a single consonant. We need to double the consonant before adding our suffix. Are you ready? Let's do it. Pat becomes patted, but you doubled the T. See that? Very cool. All right, let's do it. Plan becomes planned, but be careful. You must double the N. All right, next. Chip becomes chipped. Double the consonant, the final one. And spot becomes spotted. Don't forget to double the final consonant. There we go. All right, next. Add ed to the verbs to make them past tense. We know that already. Remember to drop the E before you add ed. Why is that? Well, let's look at this first one here. Is it baked or bake-ed? It's not bake-ed, right? That's not even a word. That's so silly. So we're gonna drop this E before adding a suffix that starts with a vowel, all right, like ed. So the next one, hiked. Hike, and drop that E and just add ed. Drop the E that it comes with in hike and just add ed. Next, piled. Drop that E and just add the ed. Piled. Good. Tune. We're going to drop this E and add the ed. All right, friends. Let's keep going. Sometimes we change the spelling to make the verb past tense. Today you eat. Yesterday you ate. Today the wind blows. Yesterday the wind blew. Do you see how we changed the word completely? We didn't just add ed to change the tense of the word and make it past tense. We changed the word completely. Eat and ate are two different words. Blows and blew are two different words. That's what they want us to do here. We're going to underline the verb 2 times. Each verb is a past tense verb, okay? The baseball player caught the ball at home plate. What is the verb, the action? What did he do? He caught it. Past tense. Dad began a new project. What did Dad do? He began. Good job. I drank 2 glasses of water yesterday afternoon. What did he do? What did I do, I guess? I drank. That's the action. The Israelites fought the Philistine army. What did the Israelites do? They fought. Underline it twice. Jackson found his lost shoe. Hey, I wonder if that's Jackson in 2nd grade. What do you think? Jackson found his lost shoe. What did Jackson do? He found something. All right, friends, that was a good little review there of something that we've done before. Good job. Let me go ahead and stop sharing. Okay, friends, I'm wishing you the best Thursday of all the Thursdays you've ever lived. I hope it's an amazing Thursday. Make it a good one, okay? All right, bye guys.